Al-Qatala search party.
Hadir brought AQ.
They're still looking.
We're not too late then. Let's get Hadir before he starts a third world war in Barkov's basement. Stay close.
It's quiet.
Means Hadir's already in control.
Barkov may not be home.
Assume he is. If he's not, he will be. Barkov's place will be crawling with Al-Qatala. Best advantage we'll have is the dark. Stay hidden and only engage when you have to. If Hadir's in Barkov's house, we need a chance to find him. Shots fired. Let's go. That gate's our entry point. Shoot the light. We'll use the dark for cover. Let's move. AQ ahead. Hold fire. Too many. Stay hidden. Keep out of the light.
شوف قول لي هدير ماشي ادي لنا شو مفتاح او اي شيء نفذنا جوا طيب
Move up. Just stay hidden. We need to kill the power. Use the fuse box on the wall. Our exit's blocked. Kill a light and it'll distract them. Wait for him to move. All clear. Move up. Overlooks ahead. Here's the General's compound. Let's see what we're up against.
What we got, boss?
Main house looks quiet. Got movement in the clock tower, church, and pool. Rope down. I'll provide overwatch.
I don't know what you're talking about!
Take him out. You clear. Careful, they're outnumbered, but you can try and disengage if things go left. Clock tower ahead. Nice work.
Sounds like Al-Qatala's got a hostage.
See if Hadir's there. He could have Barkov. Keep an eye out for a fuse box. Kill on the lights will give us an advantage.
No sign of Hadir. But they have a hostage.
Find out what the hostage knows. Any intel could lead us to Barkov.
I won't betray my family.
Poor bastard's done in.
We still have to check the pool and church. Hadir could be there. Heads up. AQ's on patrol and they're technical. 5 HQ will leave in the main house. That's stirred up the hornet's nest, couple. And we're after you now. I've got this one. He's down.
كيف صار هيك؟ ما بعرف إلا ما يكون حد ضمط منا. فريقها إن تعرض للهجوم من أعداء المنظمة.
On the west. There's a skylight over the pool. You can use it to get to the prisoner. Good night. I've lost visual. You're on your own for now.
Where is he? حصرناكم!
Still no vision of him. It's another hostage.
See if they can still talk.
My father. My father.
Shit, Captain. The hostage is a Barkov's family.
Barkov's men came into Hadir's house, and now he's in theirs. Get to the church now. If they have a hostage, he won't last long. Not much activity at Barkov's main house. You can bypass it for now. No visual. You're on your own in there, mate.
ضربوا الساحة كمان. شو عم بصير؟ ما عندي شيء. ضل هون عم دور. ما في شيء هون. لك وينك؟ اللمبة شو القصة؟
They could have a hostage in the church. Get moving.
كمشوا لنا الهاتف. ما بعرف. ما شايف شيء.
I have a visual on you.
شو هاد؟
هذا أنت.
I've lost visual on you. Stay frosty, yeah?
صار اللمبة.
He's mine. Never mind. Head to the church. Another hostage could be there. Maintain the security. AQ. Sounds like he doesn't have long. You can kill the lights to the building if you use that fuse box. I've lost visual. You're on your own for now.
ما شفت قتل للعدو، بس في شي غلط. رايح شوف مرة تانية. واحد من
Negative on Hadir.
Third floor, 451. Third floor, 451.
They broke him. He's saying third floor, 451.
It's all we got to go on. Get to the top floor of the estate. I'll meet you there.
لا شايف حدا، ما في حدا هون. هدول واحد. يلا كمشوا لنا الآن.
Place just lit up like a bloody football ground. Get to the third floor now.
Working on him.
ماشي ماشي ثاني خليك على يومك عم دور
حاسس بوجوده.
All right, I'm inside.
Head to the third floor. Don't even move.
شو عم يصير هنيك؟ شو عم يصير هنيك؟ ما شفت أثر إله.
شو
عم يقتلونا. يلا نجيب الجلون. عم يقتلونا. ما شفت أثر إله. ما شفت أثر إله. لسه عم. واحد من الصحن. قتلوني. شو عم يصير؟ ما شفت أثر إله. لسه عم دور.
Moving to the third floor.
Watch your fire. I'm up top.
Get the door open. I'll cover you. 451.
Go. Stupid bastard! Where's Barkov?
He's not here.
His family was here.
Are you protecting him?
No, we're taking you.
Come.
Wait! I'm not your enemy. I know where the gas is made. I have the
This
location.
is Barkov's chemical factory.
Yes, I'm taking it down. We're still on the same side, Captain.
Not like this.
Then help us. Please, help my sister. Listen.
Get down!
No way out! The north side tunnels!
You're in my custody in here. Don't fuck about.
The door is stuck!
Carl! Door's stuck! Quick! Keep moving! done in, Sergeant. On your feet, we are leaving! Let's move!
Out there, kill them all!
On a target, north side. They're breaking cover! Watch out for that searchlight! Come to the building! Go! There's your target! Get inside! Stay out of the open! Out of the open! Got a target, north side. We're inside the perimeter. They're breaking cover. Got a target, north side. We need cover! Get inside! Get indoors! Kahilo will tear us apart! Move through the building! Don't let that helo spot you!
Cover me!
Breaking cover!
What is there?
Got a visual on the tunnel!
Missiles incoming!
It's locked, Captain. I need something to open it.
Take these!
Open. Let's go.
Missiles incoming! Clear your head, son.
Never been more clear, sir.
You helped me attack the lab, yes?
Not on your life. You're going down for this.
Captain!
This was a one-way trip, Hadir. You knew that.
But you'll do the right thing, yes?
Boss, tell me we're gonna finish this.
We need support. Let's hope we get it.